We often think that we are the doers of things in life and we take decisions, like this ego is so important. But I realized this was not true when Premanandji Maharaj entered my life. And I used to think that somehow I was so blessed that I could, if I found his channel Bhajan Marg, and I started watching his content on YouTube and everything. But recently, in one of his reels, he said, "Do you think you came here because you wanted to? No, you came here because I made you come here." That was what Maharaj Ji said. Just because we are in this age of Kali Yuga where a lot of gurus exist and a lot of fake gurus also exist, that does not mean that Premanandji Maharaj is one such. He is one of the purest souls who has changed lives of many, and I am one of them too. If you are watching today's video, then Premanandji Maharaj has brought you here. His blessings on you has brought you to this video, and that is why you are even able to open the video. My agenda on this video is very clear. Number one, hold on to Premanandji Maharaj. Listen to his satsang. Listen to his small shorts that appears on the short form of content like on Instagram and YouTube shorts. And the second thing is never ever ever stop Naam Jap till the moment you die. So these two things might sound very easy, but with Maya, the bhogon that we have, the five indriyas that make us run our lives, when those start working, sometimes Naam Jap chhoot jata hai. Naam Jap, we stop doing it and we stop listening to the satsangs. We stop listening to Maharaj Ji also. But at that time, that is when you want to make sure that you tightly hold on to his legs and Radharani's legs even more, and you continue with this. Premanandji Maharaj, if you have just heard his name and if you have not yet fully surrendered to him, or if you are not part of the Radha Vallabh community, I want you today to go and watch his videos on YouTube. The way he talks about depression, the way he talks about anxiety, negative thinking, overthinking, self-pleasure problems that young children face nowadays, the way he handles everybody with love and care, no other guru can ever do that. And if you are searching for a guru, please take up a mansik sankalp that he is your guru from now on, that he is your margdarshan from now on. And as I said earlier, you were dragged here because of Premanandji Maharaj's blessings, and I pray to God that we all are under his blessings permanently. I do provide one-to-one counseling sessions for anxiety, depression, overthinking, and a lot of other things. There is a WhatsApp number given below. Please check that out, and I will see you all in another video. Ram Ram.